Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to convert video to text. So, let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Wizard AI. Then click on the first official link. Once it is opened, then click on Tools section. Then click on Video to Text section. Next, sign up using your Google account. It's quick and easy, and you'll be all set to start transcribing in no time. Then click on Video to Text. Then select Advanced Editing. This is the area where we will either upload a video or paste a YouTube video link. For this example, let's copy a YouTube video link and paste it here. Then click on Continue. This will transcribe YouTube video to text. Now, select the video language and click Next. The first time you use this tool, you'll get 300 minutes, or 5 hours, for free. After that, you'll receive 120 minutes per month from a single account. Perfect! As you can see, the tool has converted the video to text accurately. Once the video is transcribed, you can download the text file. Ctrl+C to copy and paste it into your document. And that's how you convert video to text. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful content. See you later, and take care. Thanks for watching.